Starting today, all salon and barbershop operators must wear face masks while attending to their clients. Further to this, we shall be giving further instructions on how you restrict the number of clients you have in a salon to avoid the crowding in our salons and barbershops. We must also ensure that our salons and barbershops have hand sanitizers and their clients actually maintain social distancing and they practice basic hygiene in their operations. Fellow Kenyans, in the last 24 hours, we have tested a total of 305 samples, out of which 7 people have tested positive for the coronavirus disease. All the 7 are Kenyans. 4 of them have a travel history, 1 from Congo, 1 from the UK, and 2 from the USA. In terms of distribution per their counties, we have 5 of these cases having been tested in Nairobi, 1 in Mombasa, and 1 in Uasin Gishu. 2 of the cases emanated from our mandatory quarantine facilities, while 5 were picked up by our surveillance teams. This now brings the total number of those who have tested positive for the disease in the country to 179. In terms of age breakdown, of all our 179 cases, 3 of these cases are below 15 years of age, 49 of these cases are between 15 to 29 years of age, 114 of these cases are between 30 to 59 years, while those above 60 are 13. And fellow Kenyans, if you allow me to really emphasize on this, when we look at our age distribution, this coronavirus disease is actually affecting the more productive members of our society. You can see, like I've said, only 13 are above 60, and therefore a large majority of the population falls below this, meaning we do need to take charge, we do need to observe the various interventions that we've put in place. The 7 people have already been moved to isolation in various health facilities, and contact tracing is ongoing. In terms of gender, 4 of the new cases are female, while 3 are male. With regard to contact tracing, a total of 2,004 persons have been monitored. Out of this, 1,426 have been discharged. 578 are currently on follow-up. To date, we've managed to test 5,278 samples from individuals. Now, in terms of severity, fellow Kenyans, when we break down our 179 cases, one of these cases is under critical care as we speak, and the rest, 178, have moderate to mild disease. However, we do have one piece of good news. One of the patients who was in critical care in one of the private facilities in the country has been discharged to the general ward today. This is a Kenyan who was in critical care, who was on ventilator support. He has now been taken off ventilator support and required to celebrate the various doctors who have been aiding in his recovery. 2 additional cases have been discharged in the last 24 hours. I want to wish all the affected Kenyans a quick recovery, and I thank you for your attention.